2, 3, 4. What's up, YouTubers? This is the Swede coming at you from Silver Lake, Los Angeles. And today we're doing some Dido. Thank you. Thank you for the support. So, cool. Let's start with putting a capo on the 4th fret, please. 1, 2, 3, 4. We got some cool, nice open chords, not very hard. We got the E minor shape. 1, 2. We got C major. 1, 2, 3. D major. 1, 2, 3. To G major. And then later we have an A minor. 1, 2, 3, and we got a C major. And some other little things happening, but let's talk about that when we get to it. So here it is. E minor. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, C. So if you can, try to get that note from E minor. That 2nd fret on the A string. The intro. Verse C, D, G, F sharp over G. So that's from here, you just move down half a step on the E string and keep these guys where they are. Intro. So, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, up, down, up, down, down, okay, verse. Same strumming. So that's those two parts, intro and verse. This is going to take us to the chorus, and the chorus will be all the way to the end of the song. So that's G major, C, got a B over G, so that's 2nd fret from C, go down half on the A string, so 2nd fret A, and keep your pinky on the B string 3rd fret, So let's call it B over G. To A minor. 2, 3, 4, and G. Down, down, up, down, down, B over G. Cool. So let's review everything before we end the lesson. We got 3 parts. That's it. We got intro. E to C. And then verse. E, C, D to G, F sharp over G. Okay, so that's the second part. And then we got the chorus. G to C 3 times. And then B over G, A minor. Cool. Thanks guys for tuning in. I'll see you tomorrow like always. Be safe. Take care. Thank you.